Hey guys, Andrew Fire here with MarineMax Baltimore, checking in our fresh trade-in of a 2010 Sea Ray 330 Sundancer. Starting back here on the swim platform, you're gonna notice a nice area here with a nice flip-out seat here to be able to accommodate anytime you're swimming in the water on, whether you're anchored out at a beach. It's a great place to hang out and be with the kids or the family when you're out in the water. As we move into the boat, you'll notice this nice walk-through on the transom that takes us right into a nice seating area here at the aft part of the boat in the cockpit. Nice teak table here. It's a great feature to have, and it's also another place to get in and out of the sun a little bit and really hang out and have a nice conversation with your guests on board. Notice that we have a nice wet bar with a freshwater sink and a nice Kenyan grill. That obviously we're always out in the water, so when we can take our meals with us and cook on board, it's always a fun time. Here at the helm, you're going to notice we have a few nice features here. A Raymarine C80 screen, a vessel view screen, digital shift and throttle for your 6.2 Axius drives with Bravo 3s, and a very nice feature to have is a joystick to be able to navigate in and off the dock. It's a nice feature to have. Notice you also have your analog gauges as well to be able to have those just as a backup. Follow me as we're going to check down below and see where you can hang out when the night rolls in. Down here in the cabin of this 330 Dancer, we're going to have a couple different features. We're going to have a nice berth up here in the bow, a nice starboard side couch lounger, and also a nice U-shaped seating up underneath the seats here. Notice we have a nice teak table, freshwater sink, LG microwave, and many more options down here, including a nice head and also features a wet head as well, so you'll be able to spend your overnights at your favorite marina. Thanks for stopping by to check out our 2010 330 Sea Ray Dancer. If you want to stop by and check it out, give us a call, come on in. We'd love to show you the boat.